Hey guys, well, good morning. It's morning for me. I'm here in the office recording this voiceover, my first one, so bear with me. I'm hoping not to be annoying. I wanted to just make this video. I have a couple of clips of cleaning my room, and there's Bishop, hello, and Figaro. Cleaning my room, and then also Bishop's room. We got him a new bed, so I wanted to throw that in here. I give later on in the video, I give a little before shot of what was going on in his room. It was chaotic and crazy, and just we just needed to take some time and focus in there and get some things handled. So that's fun. We got that done, and I'm happy to show you that. I have this video sped up because it'd end up being like 45 minutes or something crazy of just in just my room. I'm a slow and methodical cleaner, so time lapse is helpful. And I'll look at Figaro. He's so cute. He's doing so well. He's been pretty sickly since we got him about 5 or 6 weeks ago. So we're so happy to report that he's doing well. His vet says he's really healthy and we've done all the right things. So praise God. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to put on some good music, and I hope you enjoy. Grab some coffee or get to work yourself, and I can just be good background for you. And I hope this motivates you. It motivates me, believe it or not, to even just put these videos together and to have something to record and kind of something to look forward to. So this has been a pretty fun hobby for me, and I'm really enjoying it. I'm gonna continue to work on editing, drink my electrolytes this morning and my coffee. And anyway, I just hope that you enjoy this. I hope that you're blessed by the motivation and inspiration that you get. And I will talk to you later. Okay, disclaimer. I don't know how to make my bed. Just being honest here. I don't know what to do with the pillows. It's such a struggle for me. So you'll see me here, like, I just get so frustrated. I do my best. I make it look tidy. And beyond that, like, that's all you're getting from me, people. Once I get to my pillows and like what to do with them and what kinds of pillows to have on my bed and all of that, there is no Pinterest perfect happening over here. I just gotta say it. Anyway, all right, I'll stop rambling. here we are. It's not perfect, but it's neat, it's tidier. That's a bunch of random stuff that I don't know what to do with, so I just set it on top of that dresser like that. Anyway, pillow game, strong, obviously, but everything feels nice and clean and just freshened up and ready to head into the week, feeling a little bit better. And, oh, Figaro, he found a ball of paper and just had a blast with it. So I hope you enjoyed that. We're going to get into Bishop's room next. So here we go. Bed already messed up, of course. That's just life. Bye, Figgy.
Going home with y'all.
Going home with y'all.
So I enjoy doing this kind of stuff. I've put a lot of furniture together over the years, and especially since we moved into this new house, lots of little projects like that. So I actually enjoy doing this. My husband is like more than willing to do it, but this night we chose to have him do all the outside watering of the landscaping and grass and everything, and I put the bed together. So it was nice to have that time where we were both working hard, and we got it done. Mission accomplished. Thank you for watching.